Well, my friends, here back with another video. I was actually just got the truck cleaned up a little bit and was about to make another video. Something came up and let me show you what's going on. I don't know if that's the ignition, battery, or what, but we are struggling. It will not turn over, shall I say. It's Friday, what is it? Today's Saturday, so I guess the shop's closed. So I'm gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do, and we'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I'm going kind of crazy trying to figure out what the problem is. I can't take it to the shop. I'm looking through the book, the owner's manual, trying to figure out why the vehicle is not starting. My wife calls the shots, y'all. I just want y'all to know, but even she knows not to mess with me right now because I'm so frustrated. I've owned Dodge Chrysler vehicles and products for probably the last 7 to 8 years, I guess, somewhere along there. I've never had an issue like this. So basically, my parents end up bringing my kids back over because they kept them the night before. And I want to show my dad what's going on. So I pushed the button. I let him hear it, how it's trying to crank up. He's like, I don't understand that. Meanwhile, my 11-year-old son comes around and he goes, Dad, what's wrong? You know, I'm like, hey, get out of here. Me and Grandpa are trying to talk. And he goes, Dad, you know, where's your pedal at? I'm like, it's right here. What are you talking about? Like, go, you know. I'm just dismissing him because he's, you know, kids being kids. Anyways, long story short, I end up looking down and I go, wait, where is my gas pedal? He's like, you only have one pedal. And I'm like, where's my other pedal? And I look down, lo and behold, here's the issue. Problem solved. And I feel kind of dumb, yeah. But after I got the vehicle all nice and cleaned out, somehow I managed to get the floor mat over, which isn't hard to do, really, if you think about it. But somehow I managed to get the floor mat over the gas pedal. And yeah, it was pressed in or depressed. And when it's pressed in like that, I guess it's some kind of safety feature where it will not start. So, lesson learned. I've never experienced that before. And I'm reluctant to put this video up because I'm feel kind of dumb, but you know, it is what it is. You know, don't always be so quick to dismiss your kids, and I guess pay attention to what you're doing. So that's kind of the life lesson I've learned this week. And maybe if y'all want to troll some people or mess with them, they're not going to be able to start their car if you just kind of slip this over and see how crazy they go. I mean, because it's not something that you're just going to notice right off the bat, especially me, since I'm so tall. I don't even see down there anyway. So anyways, I put the floor mat back in from cleaning it and just didn't put it in right, and there you go. So I guess I'm glad it didn't start. Who knows what would have happened. So that's a good feature. All right, guys, take it easy. Come on. Whoa.